Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to turn on or off location services on your Windows 10 PC. For this, click on this one Start button, then select Settings. In the Settings window, click on this one Privacy option. On the left sidebar, scroll down to this one App Permissions section and click on this one Location. On the right, you will find Allow apps to access your location. In case you want to turn off access for your location for all the apps, just turn off this one toggle switch and then it will automatically turn off all the location services for all apps. In case you want to disable services for a few apps only, enable this one toggle switch and then you can prohibit desktop apps to access your location from this one toggle switch. And for a specific app you want to enable or disable, you need to turn on or turn off the toggle switch beside the app you find at here in this location. And in case you want to clear this one history, under location history, click on this one clear button. This will clear all the history from your Windows 10 PC for location services.